This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how your Toyota Land Cruiser is made. We begin with large rolls of steel, which are precisely cut and stamped into the various body panels. These panels then move to the welding lines, where advanced robots meticulously join hundreds of individual components, ensuring structural integrity. Following this, the body shell receives a thorough rust-proofing treatment, preparing it for the painting process. Once painted, the body shell enters the main assembly line. Here, skilled technicians and automated systems work in harmony to install the interior components, including the dashboard, seating, and trim. Simultaneously, the complex electrical wiring harnesses are carefully integrated, and every system is rigorously tested to ensure perfect functionality before moving to the next stage. Next, the heart of the Land Cruiser, its powerful engine and robust transmission, are prepared for installation. These critical components are then precisely lowered and mounted onto the sturdy ladder frame chassis. The drivetrain, including axles and differentials, is connected, ensuring the vehicle's legendary four-wheel drive capability and off-road prowess are fully integrated and ready for action. Finally, the Land Cruiser receives its finishing touches, including exterior trim, lighting, and wheels. Every vehicle then undergoes a comprehensive quality inspection, including a road test, to ensure it meets Toyota's exacting standards. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Your new Land Cruiser is now ready for delivery, built for adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.